If you want to become a powerful and confident public speaker, there's 4 things that you need to do, and these 4 things are what all the best speakers in the world do, and I'm going to share those 4 things with you right now. And before I do that, I just want to ask you, firstly, do you want to become a powerful public speaker? The kind of speaker that has rock star confidence, that knows that they can deliver every single time? Or do you want to become the kind of speaker that makes a big impact? The kind of speaker that's seen by thousands or millions of people on TV shows, radio shows, podcasts, magazines, on stages in front of thousands? If your answer to those 2 questions is yes, then these 4 things are going to help you massively. The problem I see is that we're not taught these things at school. Like, we're not taught how to communicate effectively. It's just not something that's in the curriculum. And our mission at the StandOut Speakers Academy is to empower anyone that has a message, anyone that has a vision, anyone that wants to make a big impact in the world. We want to teach you, firstly, how to find and craft your message in the right way, and then how to express yourself, how to get it out there into the world. Too many people are playing small. Too many people aren't living up to their full potential. But it's not time to play small. It's time to stand out. There are so many people in the world waking up right now, looking for leaders, looking for guidance, and they want you to teach them. They want to learn from you. There's people who are going through something you've been through already. They're going through that right now, and they're just waiting for you to learn how to get your message out. So, are you ready? Amazing. The first thing, and this is a game changer. You must find your purpose. You must find your specific core message. I believe with all of my heart that everybody has a message. I believe you have been through something that makes you uniquely qualified to help these people. That these people who are literally assigned to you, just waiting for you to step into your power. Now, once you find your message, you need to craft it in a way that people want to listen to. There's a lot of people giving information, but how many people are really doing it in a way that makes you want to listen to them? That is what will make you stand out. Second thing, once you have your message, you need to position yourself as an expert in whatever that is. People don't want to book generalists. They want to book specialists. If you want to get on TV, radio, magazines, big stages, you need to specialize in something. So you need to make sure your positioning sets you up as the expert, as the go-to person. Now, once you do that, you will get all the speaking gigs you want. You will attract clients, you'll attract media opportunities. Everything can come to you once you have your positioning sorted. The third thing, without this, none of the rest of it works. You must become a powerful, dynamic presenter. You have to be engaging, you have to be exciting, because I'm just going to be really honest with you about this. Nobody will book you if you are boring. Nobody will book you if you're boring. You have to be fun to watch. You have to be exciting, engaging, dynamic, charismatic. When you are those things, when you have those skills, you will be able to go on any stage and rock it every time. Now, the fourth thing, this is the thing that will set you free. This is the thing that will make a big difference in your life, in your family's life, and in the life of your listeners, your students, these people who are waiting to hear your message. You have to learn how to make profit. You must have products, services, courses, retreats, whatever it is that you decide is the perfect fit for your audience to give them maximum value. Here's the thing, and not many speakers know this. In a 60-minute presentation, let's say you deliver the best 60-minute presentation. You might inspire some people. You might make them feel good for a week. But if you really want to change their life, there has to be a deeper level of program. There has to be a way they can really get this knowledge, to really absorb it and really become immersed in it. You have to create products, services, and you must learn how to sell them. You can have the best product, the best program, a total life changer. But if you don't learn how to sell it, you're not going to help anyone. Now, once you master those 4 things, you will be unstoppable. And this is what we teach at the StandOut Speakers Academy. We teach you how to find your purpose, how to position yourself as an expert, how to be a great presenter, and how to make profit so you can travel all around the world, speaking on big stages, or doing whatever it is you want to do, making that impact. So if this sounds like something you want to do, if this is getting you excited, come to one of our events, come and hang out with us, get involved in our community, because we are looking for more amazing speakers to join our community. We are looking for people that want to step up, to make a big impact in the world, and that could be you. So come to our next event, click the link, get your ticket, and come and see us. We want to hear your story. We want to know how we can support you. So come hang out with us, see us face to face, come connect with our team. We're so excited to meet you. Just click the link now and get your ticket, and we'll see you at the next event.